Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So I received some goodies from Lockbraids and let's unbag them. So of course they sent over the necessary tools, your crochet tool, your comb, your separator clip, etc. So let's get into the main event. This is their crochet body wave human hair. Yes, they did send over two packages, which is 4 bundles, and it is with this crochet thread in the middle. And I'm super excited because I've never used the Body Wave hair to create the miracle knots before. So let's get started as usual. We are separating my hair into three, and I place one strand of the hair right where the thread portion is and start to braid that thread portion into my hair. And guys, this is what I call the feeding method. So once all the thread is braided in, I just pin a piece of the hair off and I'm adding one other piece to the end. Now for the back, this is what I do. Only two pieces necessary for the back portion because you want to control the volume of the hair. Once I get to the top, then I will add more pieces as you guys will see. Again, separate my hair into three pieces. Lay one piece of the hair in one of the sections of my hair and start to braid that thread portion in. And once all of that, maybe a inch and a half thread piece is braided, then I pin the actual hair off and continue braiding. Add another piece of the crochet hair and pin that off, continue braiding, pin that off also. And I'm adding a third piece. And pretty much that is that for this one. But I did add for some of them 4 pieces, and I believe in some cases even 5, because I wanted to ensure that I had more volume in the top. So I did, kind of use different variations of amounts to achieve that look. All right, guys. So again, the hair is from Lockbraids. Yes, Lockbraids. And guys, the hair is 18 inches long. It is in the color natural black, and it is again the Body Wave crochet feather human hair. And the first thing I noticed once I started interacting with the hair is how soft the hair is. Literally like feather soft. It is smooth to the touch, and I literally was able to run my fingers right through the hair without any indication that there will be any issues with tangling. None at all. So again, if you watch me continue to install, you would realize that this is the second piece that I'm adding. And once I do that, I pin off that extra portion of hair, continue braiding, and then I'm going to add another piece. And you want to just braid maybe an inch and a half or 2 inches, then you add your second or third or fourth or whatever amount of hair you're adding. But make sure that you're doing a consistent spacing in between each of those braids so it looks nice and full. So that is where we are so far. And guys, the miracle knots technique is genius. Like, you get the best of both worlds. You get that nice full head of boho braids look without having to invest the time that boho braids would take to install, as well as you do get the look as if the hair is a full head of crochet or a full head of weave. But guys, the versatility is next level. All right, so I'm on the last one that I'm showing you guys. So as you can see, it is sped up. A little bit more about the hair, guys. The hair is washable, the hair is reusable, so you'd absolutely, especially with this feeding technique, it's gonna be so easy for you to take the hair down, and as such you can always wash it, set it aside, and reuse it for the future. If that isn't a bonus, then what is? So guys, this is where the installation ends, and this is how the hair turned out. I love, did I say love? Love, love, love the curls. Those are giving me romance curls vibes. The hair is, like I said before, so soft. Okay, so let's get it together and show you guys the full look Initially, I was planning to cut the hair a little bit so that it is layered, but once I was done installing it, I realized that the hair looks naturally layered. Yes, so I literally did not even have to cut the hair, as well as I wanted to maintain it in its actual length so that I can do a lot of ponytails, which you guys know I love doing. So yes, giving you some side one shoulder action, but I think I love the side part. You know, I am a side part girl all the way, all day, every day, and twice on Sundays. So I was just exploring and loving it all. But of course, you know, we have to show you guys the middle part bust down look, because if we're not, you know, changing up the look, then why are we even doing this? So this is how it looks with the middle part. Isn't that gorgeous? It is absolutely gorgeous. And that nice, very, very bold black, I think it perfectly complements my skin tone. Yeah, but guys, let's get into some, yeah, styling options, because half up, half down is one of the cutest and easiest way to style any protective hairstyle. So of course, you know, I had to show you guys that one. Quick and easy if you wanted to just take some of the hair off of your face a little bit but still want to show the beauty of the curls, this is an option. And of course, again, we're gonna go in and just do a full high ponytail, because I am absolutely in love with the nice playful look of a high ponytail. It's just a nice casual vibe, and it still gives you that nice elegant classy look if you wanted to, you know, just change things up a little bit. And guys, don't mind me. I was just still going ahead of myself and trying more looks. But guys, I will leave the link to the hair as well as a discount code for you guys so that you guys can save on this particular hair if you guys so choose. There are so many different styling options, but I do believe that this will be my go-to look because the hair is so lightweight. It's so easy to wear the hair down and it not feel in any way like it's too much or too cumbersome. Yes, so guys, thank you for watching today's video. I do appreciate you, and I will catch you on my next one. So bye.